How to turn on or turn off live caption on Samsung A27. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on accessibility. After click on accessibility, click on hearing enhancement and click on live caption. If you want to turn on or turn off live caption, if you want to turn on live captions, turn on this button. After turn on this button, live caption is turn on. If you want to turn off live caption, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, live caption is turn off. You will turn on or turn off live caption from here. After the process, go back to home screen. Please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.